everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be filming a London haul. I didn't pick up that many things, but I still wanted to share them with you because I'm obsessed with all of them. So without making the video extremely long, let's get straight into it. And if you want to see what I got in London, then just keep watching. First thing I'm going to show you, just to get it out of the way, is actually already attached to my jeans. So excuse that. And I don't want to take it off because it took a while for me to put it on. It's this bum bag. Obviously it doesn't come with the jeans. It's this bum bag from Skinny Dip. It looks like this. So it's black with little silver studs going along here. It has a silver zip. And then it just opens like that. It's really nice and soft leather. It also has the Skinny Dip like logo at the back. It's really nice soft leather. It's obviously faux leather. But yeah, that's the tag of it. It's called a Jamie bum bag. So if you're looking for it, I'll try and link it down below. But if I can't find it, then it's Jamie bum bag, and I got it in Lakeside in the Skinny Dip shop. It was £18. I wanted to get a bum bag for ages, and I wanted a black one. So I went into Primark or Penny's, and they didn't have any black ones left. So then I was walking past Skinny Dip, and I was like, oh my god, that one, I want that one. So I walked in, and I was like, yes, I need this. So I got that, and I'm going to be wearing it with me tomorrow for the Ed Sheeran concert. I'm kind of pre-filming these videos. I already filmed another one over there. So if I'm talking about Ed Sheeran tomorrow, it's on Saturday 19th of May. But I don't know when this video is going up, so by the time you see this, I've already been. Next, I have two random things from Co-op. I always see people talking about Co-op on YouTube, but I've never been because English, obviously. And I got two chocolates. So the first one is dark chocolate with orange. And then the second one is milk chocolate with toffee and Himalayan salt. And I haven't tried them yet, but I'm really excited to because they sound really, really nice. Next, I went into Penny's for a little while, and the first thing I got is my Oval Cosmetic pads, just because they were 90p and I needed them anyway. Then I got some Harry Potter badges. They were £3, and this is what they look like. How cute are they? I know it's something that I don't really need, but I wanted to have them because they're really cute. And I also got this Harry Potter Gryffindor keyring. I think I'm going to attach it onto my new car keys. I've already mentioned that I'm getting a car next week, a new car. Woo! I wanted a new one for so long. Anyway, for so long. I only have the other one a year, but yeah, I just knew I wanted a new one. The next thing is this top, and it looks like this. So it's basically a burnt orange crop top, and it's off the shoulder. It's really, really cute. It has these little dots in it, so you have to wear it with like a skin colored bra. It was £10, and yeah, I really, really like it. I think this color really suits me. I'm not sure, maybe it's just me, but I think burgundy colors and burnt orange colors suit me, or at least I like myself in them. So I'm excited to wear that, and I'm actually wearing that tomorrow for the Ed Sheeran concert as well. The next thing is this little top, and it will go nicely with the trousers that I'm going to show you in a minute. So it's this little cami, and it's like blush pink, and then it has these tortoiseshell buttons going down, and I thought it was cute, and it has like a little tie at the back. I got this in a 12, and it was £8, and it's really nice. It's like loose fitted and all of that, and I really like it, and it will go nicely with these trousers. So they're like the paper bag trousers. They're striped, and they all go all the way down, and then they're kind of like folded at the bottom. I didn't fold that, it's already stitched like that. So yeah, I really, really like these trousers at the moment. I've been wearing them a lot, and I didn't have this stripe in my life, so yeah, striping. Love stripes. If you're wondering, this is like a shirt dress that has like these little stars here, and it's from, where is it from? It's from Missguided. Is it? Yeah, it's from Missguided. The next thing from Pennies or Primark I got is an inflatable cup holder, and it was £1. Obviously I needed this for my holidays, and this is what it looks like. How cute is that? I think that's cute, and I'm gonna have him floating in the pool with my drink. So make sure you follow me on Instagram for when I go away, because you'll see this bad boy in action. Oh, I really didn't need that. But it was only £1, so I couldn't leave it. Couple of things from Zara. The first thing I got is this oversized shirt. I got it in the medium, but it's really, really oversized. This is what it looks like. Oh god, this is going to be hard to show. This is what it looks like. It has a big pocket over there. It has long sleeves. It's striped. It's 100% cotton, so it'll be really, really nice for the warmer weather. And yeah, I just thought it would be really nice paired with some shorts, like denim shorts, jeans, or like a cover up, because it's quite long, or like a cover up for a bikini or something, swimsuit. It was $25.99, and yeah, it's from the Zara Basics range. But yeah, I thought it was really nice. And then the second thing I got from Zara is a swimsuit. And it's yellow. How cute is that? It's white and yellow striped. And it's kind of like rouged. Is that how you say it? It has like, you can see what I mean. It's like creased kind of thing. And then it has this tie in the front. And then the back is lower. But yeah, I thought it was really cute. And I don't usually go for like colourful swimsuits or bikinis. I usually go for black. So I thought this was nice and a nice change, and it looks really flattering on, and I can't wait to wear it on holidays. Oh, that swimsuit was $29.99. I then went into Victoria's Secret. I actually went twice. The first time I got this water bottle. So it says pink, and it has like glitter in it. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? It literally has glitter all over it. But yeah, I thought it was really cute, and I wanted a water bottle for ages because my other one from Pennies broke. So I thought it was the perfect opportunity to get this. It was £20. Was it? Yeah, it was £20. The second time I went into Victoria's Secret, I got a bag because I wanted this, like a gym bag kind of thing from Pink and Victoria's Secret for ages. And I thought this one was really cool. It's burgundy and it has rose gold writing on it. It's really spacious. I'm surprised how many things I can actually fit in here. So whenever I stay on errands, I usually bring this now, and I've been loving it. It was £29, and yeah, I thought it was really worth it because I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it. Like, I'm going to carry it everywhere. And yeah, and I actually used it as my carry-on bag coming back, because I only had my small like Kate Spade bag and I wanted to take more things, so I put my Kate Spade bag in this and I carried that as my extra carry-on. So that was that. And the last thing I got in Victoria's Secret was 5 pairs of pants for £25. So I'm just going to show you them quickly. I love Victoria's Secret and like Pink underwear. I think they're just the best thing ever. And whenever I'm there, I always pick up the like 5 pairs for whatever it is. So yeah, I'm excited about these. So this is the first pair. It has little peaches on it and they're like luminous. I thought that was really cute. The second pair is like pink, light pink. These are my favorite kinds, kind of underwear. I just really like them. They're the best ones, I feel like, from Victoria's Secret. These are next, so they're burgundy and they have the little dog, and then at the back they're like lace. Then I have this white pair and they have like a velvet kind of pattern on it, which is really cute. And then the last pair is green with the rose gold, just like the bag, and it says Love Pink. So yeah, those are the 5 pairs, and I can't wait to start wearing these. They're super comfortable. If you're looking for like affordable but really good quality underwear, make sure you check out Victoria's Secret, because Some of the like underwear that I have for like about 3 years from Victoria's Secret literally look like brand new. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you know in case you're on the lookout. I also popped into Topshop on the way from Oxford Street on the way to the tube, and I got sunglasses in this cute pouch because you get free like sunglasses pouches if you buy sunglasses from them. So the sunglasses look like this. So they're really big and they're like tortoiseshell glasses, and they have gold on the sides, and this is what they look like. They're really big, but I really like big glasses, so yeah, I really like these. They were only £12. I popped into Muji, is that how you say it? And they had so many nice like organization container things, but obviously I wasn't able to bring them with me, so I know where to look. I might like order something off their website one of the days, but the only thing I got is a pen. I know it's very random. It was only like £1.70 or something. Someone's ringing me. Erin. Hello. Hi. I'm still filming. I'm filming 2 videos today. You're currently on camera and I'm going to leave that in. Right, my camera's on 10% and I hope I get to finish this video. I got a pen. It's blue. It's 0.7. I think that's the like size of the tip or whatever. And it's like a gel pen kind of thing. I'm excited to start using it. The pens from Muji are supposed to be really good. The last thing I got is from Anthropologie. I always wanted to go into that shop and I never did. I don't know why. And I went in and I got a cup, a mug. And I'm pretty sure you know what mug I got, because when someone mentions, oh, I got a mug in Anthropologie, everybody knows what mug it is. How cute! It has rose gold dots and M on it, and I always wanted it. So now I have an Anthropologie mug. It's very exciting, I have to say. I'm gonna have to go and get some tea in this in a minute. But yeah, I'm really excited. It was originally £10, but I got it for 8 because it was on sale. Bargains. Bargains, bargains, bargains. So that's everything that I got in London. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do. And if you want to see more hauls from me, yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!